Dear Principal, I am writing this application to request a refund of the library security deposit that I paid at the time of my admission to the college. As you may know, every student is required to pay a security deposit of 100 rupees for the use of library facilities during their time at college. However, due to some unforeseen circumstances, I was unable to utilize the library to its full potential. During my first year at college, my family experienced a financial crisis, which made it difficult for me to continue attending classes. Unfortunately, I had to leave college early, and I was not able to take full advantage of the library services. I understand that the library security deposit is meant to ensure the responsible use of library materials and facilities, but I hope you can make an exception in my case. I assure you that I did not cause any damage to the library property during my brief stay at college. I would be grateful if you could process my request for a refund of the library security deposit. If there is any additional information that you require to process my request, please do not hesitate to contact me. I can be reached at the contact information provided in my college records. Thank you for your consideration of my request. I hope to hear back from you soon. Sincerely, XYZ.